Hello, Deer Valley Online Learning students. I'm Mrs. Linda Meyer with the Social Studies Department.
And I am Mr. Dugan, and I teach the government class, which is for seniors. It's required for graduation, and I teach U.S. History 1 and 2, and also an elective law in society.
And I teach Honors World History 1 and 2, World History 1 and 2, Economics, and an elective Sociology. So we're here to talk to you about, in a really quick video, how to be successful in an online course. The first thing that you want to make sure that you do is you have a plan, okay? It's very difficult for you to be juggling all of your life, as you probably have noticed by now, and you have to make a plan on when you are going to do your work. We make it very easy and have printable calendars for you that are available on our websites. So you can print those off, and you want to stick to those calendars because late work is not accepted.
Yes, and in the Social Studies Department, we're generally going to have due dates twice a week. So please make sure that you're looking at those calendars and turn in your assignments on time, or early if possible.
Or early. And another thing that we want to let you know is we are people. We're here right in front of you, and we actually do care about you, which means that you need to communicate with us. So if something is happening, if you need to fly out to see a relative, or you are going to the hospital or something, please keep us informed. It's one of the worst things to find out that the reason why you're behind is because of some medical emergency. We are teachers, and we do want to know how you are doing. That being said, the primary way that we communicate with you is through Canvas. So you want to make sure that you are using that Canvas inbox to talk with your teachers. We have other ways on our syllabus page that you can reach us, but the way that we will be looking for most is through Canvas. So please make sure that when you go through the orientation module, you're looking at those notifications and getting those taken care of. You will be required to submit a screenshot of that as well.
And the last thing we want to talk about is the online learning lab here at Barry Goldwater High School and up at Boulder Creek High School. This is an opportunity for you to come in and get extra tutoring. Here at Goldwater, it is from 3 to 7 on Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. And up at Boulder Creek, it is Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Please take advantage of that time. When you come in, there will be an online teacher in there. It may not be your teacher. If you're taking a math class, you may walk in and see a social studies teacher, but that's okay. We'll be able to help you. We can help you with Canvas, help you get through an assignment if you need that kind of help, but please take advantage of those opportunities.
Yes, we want to see you. We are really looking forward to starting off a great semester, and thank you for watching.
Thanks.